morning students. Today I am going to discuss transpiration in plants. Now transpiration, the process by which water is lost in the form of water vapor through aerial parts of plant. Then according to the where from the transpiration takes place, where from it is taking place, the different types: stomatal transpiration, cuticular transpiration and lenticular transpiration. Stomatal transpiration takes place through stomata, cuticular transpiration takes place through cuticle and lenticular transpiration takes place through lenticule. Now stomatal transpiration, if we consider the total transpiration taking place in a plant, then 90 to 99% of transpiration takes place through stomata. Then about 1 to 9% takes place through cuticle. And lenticular transpiration is only 0.1 to 1%. Stomata, these are temporary opening present in epidermis of leaf and young stem. Cuticle, the waxy coating on the surface of epidermis. The waxy coating on the surface of epidermis, it helps in protection and also prevents from desiccation. Lenticular transpiration, these are permanent opening present in the surface of, in the old trees, in the bark of trees. Lenticular transpiration, the main function is gaseous exchange. Stomatal transpiration function is transpiration as well as gaseous exchange. Then cuticular transpiration, it is a waxy coating on the surface of the epidermis of leaf and young stem, and also it prevents the underlying cells from desiccation. Then role of transpiration in xylem transport. This is very, very important. Now you see, from the leaves through stomata, transpiration takes place. That means there is deficiency of water in the cells of the leaves. This we call as diffusion pressure deficit. Due to this, it absorbs water from the adjoining cells of the mesophyll tissue by the process of osmosis. Then it absorbs water from the xylem of midrib, xylem of stem, xylem of root, then endodermis, cortical cells, root hair, then root hair will absorb water from the soil. So you can see here the leaves are playing the main role for absorption of water by the root hair. So this type of absorption is called passive absorption. As this conduction takes place due to transpiration, that's why it is called transpiration pool. This is very, very important for conduction of water, ascent of sap in tall trees. Along with the transpiration pool, there are other factors also which helps in ascent of sap, that is capillarity, then cohesion tension. These all are also important for ascent of sap. Next, mechanism of opening and closing of stomata. Now you can see I have drawn two diagrams. In one case I have shown stomata is closed, and another case I have shown stomata is open. Now where the stomata is closed, in that case the gaseous exchange can take place, but it is not like that. Early morning in presence of sunlight, chloroplast of guard cells perform photosynthesis, produces food, glucose is produced, makes this guard cells hypertonic compared to the adjoining epidermal cells, which are known as subsidiary cells. So it will absorb water from the adjoining epidermal cells. by the process endosmosis. And then these guard cells will become turgid. Causes opening of stomata. Stomata opens. Then in the evening, when there is no sunlight, no photosynthesis, food produced in the guard cells will move into the adjoining epidermal cells by the process of diffusion. So outside becomes hypertonic, inside becomes hypotonic. Due to exosmosis, water will come out from the guard cells. The guard cell will become flaccid, and this causes closing of stomata. This is how stomata opening and closing of stomata takes place. Then what are the factors which affect transpiration? Sunlight, temperature, humidity, wind velocity. Sunlight, temperature, wind velocity directly proportional. Transpiration increases, sunlight increases. Temperature increases, transpiration increases. Wind velocity increases, transpiration increases. But regarding humidity, it is inversely proportional. More humidity, less will be the transpiration. Then next, significance of transpiration. This is very, very important. It helps in cooling of the plant. It helps in ascent of sap. It helps in distribution of minerals. It helps to get rid of excess water. So these are the significance of transpiration. Thank you.